How to make your soapbox speech sizzle.
It's about taking the page to the stage.
Connect with your audience. Speak with conviction.
Connect with your audience. Mean what you say and say what you mean. Strong eye contact, okay? Speak with conviction, meaning speak like this.
Be loud and project your voice. Have confidence. Do the research. Add evidence to support your ideas. Present the facts in an interesting way.
Use a rubric to get organized.
Use the rubric to organize your content, structure, and style. Study and practice. Altoids. Trust us, you'll feel better with fresh breath.
Would you like some white chocolate?
Sure, what's it for?
It's for our senior expenses.
Alright, how much is it?
It's only $1.
I got $1.
Okay.
The call to action. Give your audience something to do.
Hi everybody, we have an announcement to make for a blood drive.
Would anyone like to sign up for the blood drive on Tuesday, February 28th?
My name's Julian. Speak from the heart, hey!